Ang nakaraan sa Beauty Empire. Mag-uumpisa na ang palabas para sa ikababagsak mo. Huwag ka nang matakot, Miss Velma.
Mahirap kalabanin ng taong sobra mong mahal. I will do everything to fix this so I can push myself towards the right path.
What's the plan? Hindi ito magiging madali para sa ating lahat.
Ginamit mo lang ako para makuha mo lahat ng gusto mo, and that includes Velma Beauty.
Pasensyahan na lang tayo.
A scheming, manipulative... Be careful, Shari.
Kailangan mapaniwala natin ang lahat na magkaaway pa rin tayo. Second, tayo naman ang magiging magkalaban.
I am ushering you towards a new era. I will be launching my own beauty line soon. Velma. Soon, you are going to be receiving invitations to the Velma Ball. Kasama na dyan ang dalawang malalapit sa puso ko. Shari De Jesus and Noreen Alfonso. I'm inviting them as a sign that we can still coexist in the beauty world.
Kasado na ang ball mo, Miss E.
We must act fast, Noreen. Tell us the plan. I've already woken up to the truth, Eddie.
Mamamatay ka sa ball mo, Miss Velma. A fake death.
At sabay-sabay tayong pupunta sa impyerno.
What are you talking about? Anong nangyayari sa'yo? Velma?
Kailangan niyo maglaho sa gabing yun, Miss Velma, para hindi matuloy ang paghuli sa inyo.
Para si Eddie yung mahuli.
Hindi si Eddie ang huhulihin.
Ikaw, Shari.
Nareen, I really cannot stay there for long. I have other things in my life that needs my full attention. Nakilig because we will start over. May kailangan lang ako asikasuhin. Para ito ng pagbabagong buhay ko. Kaya ba, please, kailangan po kumalik. Dahil papalik ako.
Waking up to the truth? What truth?
The truth that I love the heartless monster. You drugged her. You raped her. You killed her. Pinatay mo siya, mamamatay tao ka.
Hulog na siya sa trap ko.
Thank God dumating na kayo.
Thank you, Janet.
Magbabantay ako sa labas.
Huwag kang mag-alala, Shari. Malulusutan mo rin agad to. Sinisigurado ko.
Kailangan lang natin palabasin na ikaw ang pumatay sa akin para hindi makatakas si Eddie.
I trust you both.
Are you ready?
Let the show begin.
They got me so frustrated, thinking I can't make it. All the efforts that I put out, my ideas just get shut down. It's a shame dahil mananagot kayo. Ganda-gandahan, at tuwing oras ng ambagan, ang mundo ko'y kagandahan, baby. Ganda-gandahan, 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 gandahan ang puhunan. Ganda-gandahan.
Where is your wife? Hindi ba itong pinagmamalaki niyang launch ng Velma? Di ba niya ako haharapin?
Oh, no, she's here. Hindi naman siya nagtatanong sa kanya.
Oh, I know. She wants to make a grand entrance.
I can let her know you're here.
Oh, no. Stay with me. Don't leave.
Can you believe it, Mama? All of this just to prove to you na kaya niyang bumangon.
Sure. I know.
Hindi nila dapat mahalata na buhay pa kayo. Kapag nag-succeed tayo dito, hindi lang pagkamatay ng ate ko ang may gaganti ko. Pati na rin ang lahat ng babaeng nagawa ng injustice ng asawa niyo. And that includes you, Miss Velma.
Hi, Miss Cristobello! Hindi ba kayo threatened sa launch ng brand ni Miss Velma Imperial?
No, not at all. In the beauty industry, we're all friends.
Ariela, what are you wearing tonight? You look absolutely stunning.
I'm actually wearing my confidence and my ability to stand up after the fall.
Miss Anna, ano naman ang masasabi natin sa paandar ni Miss Velma Imperial tonight?
Well, I only have 6 words for her. May the best beauty brand win.
In 30 minutes, mag-off na ang mga lights. Magsa-start na ang program.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? What happened?
Yeah, it's part of it. Show's about to start.
At para mapaniwala natin ng lahat na patay na kayo, Miss V.
Pampabagal ng heartbeat. Para maniwala silang patay na talaga kayo. Gaya po nung napag-usapan natin. Alam niyo na ang gagawin niyo.
Oh my God, am I really gonna be doing this?
Gusto niyo po ba mag-back out?
Of course not. Iniisip ko lang kung bakit hindi ko sinumbong sa pulis ang hayop kong asawa.
Because you've always loved drama, Miss V.
You know me so very well.
Well, enjoy your quick visit to the afterlife.
Aabangan po namin ang pagbabalik ninyo.